Do you guys remember just a couple of days ago I was saying, oh, Bitcoin, Ethereum, crypto's been boring. It's been flat the past couple of months, which it has. And today things have changed, guys. Crypto is collapsing, and we're going to break it down in this video. We're going to go over Bitcoin, Ethereum. We'll talk a little bit about Dogecoin. And of course, we're going to go over the stock market later in the video. So sit back, relax, take a sip of your water, guys, and let's dive into it because, again, right now, everything is looking grim. It's not looking good at all, guys. Bitcoin is down to $17,700. It is down a whopping 14% and crashing in real time. When I was prepping this video 5 minutes ago, 10 minutes ago, it was only down 10%. Now it's down 14%, crashing into the mid-17s. And you guys know how this goes. When Bitcoin crashes, it crashes hard, and it could come down thousands of dollars within a couple of hours, even an hour, even, a couple of minutes. We've seen that happen before. Well, maybe not really recently, but it's happened, right? Trust me. So right now, the market is on shaky ground due to the feud between two of the richest exchange bosses in the crypto world. Binance CEO, I'm not even going to pronounce his name, but I think Chow is how you say his last name. He announced that his exchange will sell its huge stack of FTT tokens. The token's price is, which I believe Sam Bankman-Fried, who owns FTX, they have a lot of that token, or that's their main token on the balance sheet, guys. And by no means am I an expert on all this stuff or any of this stuff, to be honest, guys. I'm not a huge crypto guy, but we have to talk about this because this could end up sending a ripple effect into the stock market, which we're going to talk about later in this video. So this is kind of after a few months ago where we saw what was it called? The exchange that went under, Voyager. We saw some craziness with, Tether, Celsius, all that, that was a couple months ago, right? And since that point, again, we've been flat until right now. So, like I said, CEO of Binance, he is looking to sell a huge stack of FTT tokens, and FTT is the main pillar of the balance sheet of Sam Bankman-Fried's FTX exchange. And you guys, if you see FTX everywhere, it's crazy. Where is all this money coming from? It's unbelievable what's going on. Is this the next company that's going under? Who the heck knows? Who's funneling all this money into this company? It's unbelievable. So that's besides the point. FTT, again, I think it's down like 50%. Maybe if I pull this article up right here, guys, give me a second. I think it's down about, let's see here, in departure of stability witnessed earlier this week, yada, 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 yada. Where is it here? Here it is. As of press time, FTT was down nearly 14% over the past 24 hours and 44% over the past 7 days to a price of $18.92. And to be honest, 92 cents. And again, to be honest, I'm not a Bitcoin expert or crypto expert, and I'm not too sure exactly about FTT, FTX, all this craziness going on. But we're breaking down the developing news here together, guys. And if you enjoy the content, hit that like button. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't done so already. I appreciate you all, as always. So that's pretty much what's going on. There's a ton of uncertainty right now, and it's slipping even further. Now Bitcoin is down 16%. Holy freaking crap. And I saw some tweets on Twitter. Shout out to my Twitter, @StasSurfez. Make sure to go follow me there. That people aren't able to get money out of FTX right now. And again, I'm not an FTX user, not big into crypto, but that's what I'm seeing on Twitter. People are liking that, retweeting that. What do you guys think? Are you having trouble? Let me know in the comments down below. But that is a problem. People are having troubles withdrawing their money out of FTX, which, that sounds a little bit familiar. Do you guys remember who else did that? Voyager did that a couple months ago, and, well, they went bankrupt. You guys know that stock was at, what, $20, and now it's bye-bye. Let's just put it that way. It doesn't exist anymore. So Bitcoin is down a whopping 15.5%. Ethereum right now, let's pull that up, is down 20 freaking percent, guys. It was almost at 1,600 earlier today. No joke. Earlier today. Now it's under 1,300. It's in the mid 1,200s. Again, it's down 20%, down $300. I don't even want to look at Dogecoin. I don't even want to look, but we're going to pull it up. Let's see what Dogecoin is at. Dogecoin right now is down, oh my goodness, 26%. I'm sorry to say this, guys, and we couldn't predict this catalyst. I mean, maybe you could have. I don't know. Again, I'm not deep into the crypto space. Maybe if you were deep into it, you knew this was coming. But I told you so. I'm sorry to say I told you so, but when Dogecoin ran to 15 cents, I knew this was going to come down sooner or later, one way or another, regardless really of the catalyst. And at this point, again, we got that catalyst that I just mentioned. There's a lot of tension right now, uncertainty in the crypto space, and it's pretty much cut in half again. I mean, just like that, it has cut in half again. If I show you guys here on the 15-minute chart, Dogecoin was at 16 cents pretty much on the 1st of this month, 7 days ago, 1 week ago. Now it's at 8 cents. Essentially, it's cut in half, guys. It's cut in half. So, yeah, trend is completely breaking. I mean, it didn't break out to the bullish side anyway. I mean, it tried to a little bit, but failed doing so. Now, clearly, bears are back in charge. So, Dogecoin, it's probably coming down even more. I mean, 6-7 cents. I feel like that is where it could stabilize potentially in the short term. So what do you guys make of this? I want to know your thoughts down below in the comments. And if you want 12 stocks from this platform right here, Webull, I use it to chart Doge, Bitcoin, Ethereum, crypto in general. Use that link down below. Deposit any amount of money. You get 12 stocks. It also helps out the channel. Or you can just go to stocksurfest.com/Moomoo. Again, deposit or Webull. Mixing those up, guys. You could also get 15 stocks for Moomoo. All those are linked down below, guys. I appreciate you all, as always. And again, this is just a crazy time we're living in, and I'm personally happy. I'm not trying to, be an a-hole here, but I'm happy that I don't have much crypto right now, seriously, because it's a very risky asset class, and it's experiencing a lot of pressure. And I feel like we've covered the longer-term charts on Bitcoin many times. I think this could go to 12.5, 13,000, 14,000. It's totally in the cards. So, again, let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. And for the stock market now is starting to give. We have the S&P head and shoulders here on SPY, which you can see here. The neckline is right around 385, which is where we struggled back in the end of October. And now today, we showed promise earlier in the day. We were up to 385. We broke 380. It was looking pretty good. But now, clearly, we got rejected. We double-topped here on the intraday at 385 on SPY. And now it's dumping to 379. It's back under 380. That is not a good sign whatsoever. So, SPY at this point, it's not completely collapsing. Bulls aren't 100% screwed yet, but they're definitely seeing some pushback from the bears right now, 100%. And now I guess you can say, again, we have that head and shoulders, but we also have the wedge here that I just drew out. So let's just wait for direction. I mean, on the 20-day chart, that's all we can do. It's Tuesday. We have a couple more days here. The Fed meeting, or the CPI data, right? It's going to be big. So SPY right now, it was green. Now it's turning red. Honestly, all the indexes have turned red except for the Dow, which is still up about 0.5%. And if I pull up triple Q here very quickly before we wrap the video up, guys, this also now looks like a bit of a head and shoulders, at least to me. And maybe not on the 4-hour, but here on the 20-day chart, we notice the head and shoulders. We have the left shoulder right there, head right here, right shoulder. Now we're getting resistance at about 270. We're now at 267, 180 SMA. We're struggling at it. So this might be coming down towards 258, 260, potentially, right? But we have to wait and see. I mean, time will tell. It's the price action right now. Again, we're looking a bit bearish based on the intraday. But on the 20-day, I honestly could see it still going either way. So what do you guys think? I mean, it's interesting. It's all really, at this point, leaning on the CPI data. Let's see how that looks. And if you want to see the content on that, which I'm going to be making more later on this week, make sure to subscribe. And if you enjoyed this video, hit that good old like button and make sure to get your $10 plus your 15 stocks from Moomoo, link down below, with at least a $100 deposit. And you can get 12 stocks from Webull with any amount deposited down below, guys. And if you want, check out the Patreon. And with that being said, what do you guys think? The markets, I mean, unbelievable. With that being said, I'll catch you in the next video. Peace out.